A shim is a skinny piece of metal used to bypass a lock without the necessary picking. It slides down one or both of the shackle arms depending on the lock. It pushes away the hook inside the lock, which unhinges the shackle. To properly use a shim, insert it on the side and twist inward while pushing down on the shim. Then push down on your shackle to shove the shim down as far down as possible. Now hold down the shim while pulling up on the shackle and it should unhinge. Shims are made for combination locks where there is no keyhole. Once again, insert down one of the sides and twist towards the center. Hold the shackle up so that when you push down, it allows maximum push for the shim. Now hold the shim down and lift up on the shackle. Shims can even be used for some of the more complicated locks. This is a very high security 6-pin spool pin lock. It is made to be unshimmable because of the way that the hooks are made inside the lock. This one on the left has a horizontal face on the very top, where when you insert the shim, it will break. The shim will break, making it so it does not work. So to get around this, and for this lock you will need 2 shims, one on each side of the shackle. To get around the horizontal part, you will push in the lock so that it is halfway between 2 hooks. Right there. It has not been depressed into one of these indents. Now you are able to insert your shim as far down as possible. It did just now depress into one of the indents, so I'll have to go one more. There we go. You have plenty of room to do this. While holding down both shims, pull up slowly on the shackle. There we go. The lock is now open. And when used properly, your shims are undamaged.